So let's do this. Let's practice these little pine trees before we get used to. And so I'm going to put in some green, activate the green, and I also have a little bit of blue there. Maybe some yellows. I'm going to use a slightly smaller brush as well. And so when making these pine trees, remember you're going to have some of the stuff on. So I usually start out with a brush here and just put some work the height of the pine tree like that. And then you can come back in and maybe make a little bit of and come back in and slightly go down a little bit and then widen it out with a couple of dabs. And then go down a little bit further. And the stem or the trunk of the tree, just put some little dabs in there of branches is down a little bit lower. Notice it's coming down at an angle. And then I can also go to the other side with that. And the inside of the trunk area. If we wanted, we could put in some other colors. Oh, I thought I had a little more blue. We wanted this to be a darker color, and so just by touching the tip of the brush, we create a little bit more of a. And it depends on how wide you want your tree to be. It can go out, a real wide sort of a base, but I think that's probably about as wide as this one. And just by touch, and then go down a little bit and touch the area again with the tip of the brush. Stick the branches out from the trunk, and then widen your interior like that. And that's how we're going to make our tree. Now, the bottom of it, this is going to form fit to the bottom like that, right? As we make those trees. And then we may have another tree right next to it, so let's try that guy again. We start with the top of the tree and then put down the tree trunk. So take that, just kind of blob it down to the bottom right there. Let's say that's going that far. Then start up top. Set of branches, just a little V, and then go down a little bit, put in another V, go down a little bit, and another V, and then widen out the inside. And then just repeat that process as you drop this down. And as you drop that down, you're going to widen out. Remember to put little dots and dashes as it drops down. Find that a lot of the branches and stuff, they actually the little limbs. If I put in a branch here with my V and a branch in like that, I'm gonna have some stuff coming off of the bottom, kind of like this. And then make another branch like that, and then we'll fill in with some dabs in the middle like that. If you want to come back, like I said, and put in maybe some other colors, let's say, and so we have the blue coming in here like that, and have that mix in a little bit. So then that would be this area here. Some of them are behind. If you have a tree behind, maybe you do something like this if it's really a tight pack. A little bit of a tree, a smaller tree behind these two trees. Now when our paper's dry and we're ready to start adding in these trees over here, it looks like there was a little bit of brown added in on there, like that.